Question 1. Which prophet walked on water? A. Moses. B. Peter. C. David. D. Solomon. Answer B. Peter. Question 2. Who was swallowed by a large fish? A. Noah. B. Jonah. C. Job. D. Daniel. Answer B. Jonah. Question 3. Which prophet parted the sea? A. Elijah. B. Moses. C. Abraham. D. Joseph. Answer B. Moses. Question 4. Who is known as the strongest man in the Bible? A. Samson. B. Goliath. C. David. D. Esau. Answer A. Samson. Question 5. Who built a huge ark? A. Adam. B. Noah. C. Jacob. D. Solomon. Answer B. Noah. Question 6. Who was the first man created? A. Adam. B. Noah. C. Moses. D. Abraham. Answer A. Adam. Question 7. Who was the first woman? A. Eve. B. Sarah. C. Leah. D. Rebecca. Answer A. Eve. Question 8. Who killed his own brother? A. Isaac. B. Cain. C. Esau. D. Jacob. Answer B. Cain. Question 9. Who is known for his great wisdom? A. Solomon. B. David. C. Isaiah. D. Joseph. Answer A. Solomon. Question 10. Which prophet lived in a lion's den? A. Daniel. B. Jonah. C. Jeremiah. D. Joseph. Answer A. Daniel. Question 11. Who defeated the giant Goliath? A. Moses. B. David. C. Jacob. D. Elisha. Answer B. David. Question 12. Who was taken up to heaven in a whirlwind? A. Elijah. B. Samuel. C. Isaiah. D. Job. Answer A. Elijah. Question 13. Who led the Israelites out of Egypt? A. Moses. B. Joseph. C. David. D. Joshua. Answer A. Moses. Question 14. Who received the 10 Commandments? A. Aaron. B. Moses. C. Abraham. D. Noah. Answer B. Moses. Question 15. Who was known for his enormous strength? A. Samson. B. David. C. Saul. D. Gideon. Answer A. Samson. Question 16. Who interpreted Pharaoh's dreams? A. Joseph. B. Daniel. C. Moses. D. Solomon. Answer A. Joseph. Question 17. Who was thrown into a fiery furnace? A. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. B. Peter. C. Samuel. D. Job. Answer A. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Question 18. Who spent 40 days and nights on Mount Sinai? A. Abraham. B. Moses. C. Jacob. D. Joshua. Answer B. Moses. Question 19. Who wrote many of the Psalms? A. Solomon. B. David. C. Moses. D. Isaiah. Answer B. David. Question 20. Who was known as a great builder and king? A. Solomon. B. Saul. C. David. D. Hezekiah. Answer A. Solomon. Question 21. What is the first book of the Bible? A. Exodus. B. Genesis. C. Numbers. D. Leviticus. Answer B. Genesis. Question 22. What is the last book of the Bible? A. Revelation. B. Malachi. C. Jude. D. Titus. Answer A. Revelation. Question 23. Which book describes the world's creation? A. Genesis. B. Exodus. C. Job. D. Isaiah. Answer A. Genesis. Question 24. Which book talks about a great flood? A. Numbers. B. Genesis. C. Kings. D. Judges. Answer B. Genesis. Question 25. Which book talks about the end times? A. Psalms. B. Revelation. C. Proverbs. D. Ezra. Answer B. Revelation. Question 26. Who built the temple in Jerusalem? A. Solomon. B. David. C. Moses. D. Saul. Answer A. Solomon. Question 27. Who was known for great patience during his trials? A. Job. B. Jonah. C. Isaiah. D. Aaron. Answer A. Job. Question 28. Who asked God for wisdom instead of riches? A. Daniel. B. Solomon. C. David. D. Joseph. Answer B. Solomon. Question 29. Who was the oldest man in the Bible? A. Noah. B. Methuselah. C. Adam. D. Enoch. Answer B. Methuselah. Question 30. Who was swallowed by a whale? A. Job. B. Jonah. C. Elijah. D. Moses. Answer B. Jonah. Question 31. What river was Jesus baptized in? A. Nile. B. Jordan. C. Euphrates. D. Tigris. Answer B. Jordan. Question 32. Which prophet confronted King Ahab? A. Elijah. B. Samuel. C. Jeremiah. D. Hosea. Answer A. Elijah. Question 33. Who was known as a great dreamer? A. Solomon. B. Joseph. C. David. D. Amos. Answer B. Joseph. Question 34. Which prophet was known as the weeping prophet? A. Isaiah. B. Ezekiel. C. Jeremiah. D. Joel. Answer C. Jeremiah. Question 35. Who was healed from blindness? A. Bartimaeus. B. Peter. C. Jonah. D. Samuel. Answer A. Bartimaeus. Question 36. Which king tried to kill David? A. Saul. B. Solomon. C. Ahab. D. Nebuchadnezzar. Answer A. Saul. Question 37. Who fasted for 40 days? A. Jeremiah. B. Elijah. C. Moses. D. Both B and C. Answer D. Both B and C. Question 38. What was created on the first day? A. Light. B. Trees. C. Animals. D. Mountains. Answer A. Light. Question 39. Which man lived inside a fish for 3 days? A. Jonah. B. Job. C. Moses. D. Elijah. Answer A. Jonah. Question 40. Who turned water into wine? A. Elijah. B. Elisha. C. Jesus. D. Moses. Answer C. Jesus. Question 41. Who denied knowing Jesus 3 times? A. Peter. B. John. C. Paul. D. James. Answer A. Peter. Question 42. Who was a tax collector before following Jesus? A. Luke. B. Matthew. C. John. D. Mark. Answer B. Matthew. Question 43. Who betrayed Jesus? A. Thomas. B. Judas. C. Paul. D. Andrew. Answer B. Judas. Question 44. Who wrote the book of Revelation? A. John. B. Peter. C. Luke. D. Paul. Answer A. John. Question 45. Which prophet saw a vision of dry bones? A. Isaiah. B. Jeremiah. C. Ezekiel. D. Daniel. Answer C. Ezekiel. Question 46. Who was known for his colorful coat? A. Jacob. B. Joseph. C. Esau. D. Moses. Answer B. Joseph. Question 47. Who prayed inside the belly of a fish? A. Job. B. Jonah. C. Amos. D. Micah. Answer B. Jonah. Question 48. Who was saved in a basket on a river? A. Noah. B. Moses. C. Isaac. D. Elijah. Answer B. Moses. Question 49. Which king wrote many wise sayings? A. Solomon. B. David. C. Hezekiah. D. Saul. Answer A. Solomon. Question 50. How many days did God take to create the world? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. Answer B. 6.